Hello students, today we will study the question number 3 of exercise 8.2. This is the topic of standard 8, chapter number 8, comparing quantities. So in previous class we have studied about the basics of the cost price, selling price, profit loss, profit percentage and loss percentage. So let us see how we can use all these quantities, right? All these things we are using in this question. So question number 3 is, here we have given that a shopkeeper buys 80 articles for rupees 2400 and sells them for a profit of 60%. Find the selling price of one article. So here we have given that the number of the articles is 80. He buys the total 80 articles in 2400 rupees. That means the cost price of the total article is 2400. Okay, how much the profit he make? 16% profit he make. So we have to find out the selling price of one article. Here we have given the cost price of the 80 articles. So what we basically have to do? Basically we first of all find out the selling price of the total 80 articles. Then we can find out the selling price of one article from that total price. So first of all the question is how to find out the selling price. Selling price is, we can write down as cost price plus profit, right? Selling price we can write down as cost price plus profit. Now cost price we already have 2400. We have to find out the profit. How to find out the profit? Here we have given the profit percentage. So we have one of the formula that profit percentage is equals to profit upon cost price into 100. Okay, put down all the values. Profit percentage here we have is 16. Profit we have to find out. Cost price here we have is 2400 and multiplied it with the 100. So 20 we can cut here and here. So what is the profit we are getting here is 24 into 16. And what is the multiplication of 24 in 16 is, let us calculate 24 16 0 4 2 plus 6 4s are 24, 2 is the carry, 6 2s are 12, 13 14. Okay, 4 8 3 384. 384 is what is the profit the shopkeeper make while he sell the total 80 articles. So now if we add this profit here, we get the selling price. Selling price here we are getting is, cost price is 2400 plus the profit is 384, right? When we add, we get the 4 8 3 plus 4 7 and 2 2784. This is the selling price. Selling price of how much articles? This is the selling price of 80 articles. We have to find out the selling price of one article. So here we can write down that selling price of one article is equals to 2784 upon 80. This is also called the unitary method. So when we divide this with the 80, what will be the answer we get here is, see, first of all we have to divide with 80. We get the 8 3s are 24 and 8 4s are 32. But here we have 278. So when we divide with the 80, we can divide it with the 18 3s are 24. That means 240. 278 minus 240. What is the answer? Remainder will be 3 and 8. Now take this 4 here. Okay, again divide it with the 80. Now we can divide it with the 18 4s are 32. 32 means 320. Now what will be the remainder? 6 and 4. Now we cannot divide with 80. So we have to take a decimal point so that we can put 10 here. Again divide it with the 80. 8 nines are 18 nines are okay, no, 8 6 are 48, 8 sevens are 56, 8 eights are 64. Okay, 8 eights are 64. So here we getting 8 here, right? So when we divide it with the 80, we get the 640 and the remainder will become 0. So this is the what the selling price of one article that we get here is 34.8 rupees, right? So in this way, how we can find out the selling price of one article. So this is how we can use all the terms: profit, profit percentage, profit, cost price, selling price, right? Let us take one more question. Question number 4. The cost of an article was rupees 15,500. Rupees 450 were spent on its repair. If it is sold for a profit of 15%, find the selling price of the article. See, here we have given that the article was purchased as a rupees of 15,500. So we can take it as a cost price. Some of the charges we have given, that is 450 is spent on its repair. So we are basically taking it as an overhead charges. We have given that he sold the article at a profit of 15%. So selling price we have to find out. First of all, what we have to do, overhead charges we have to add to the cost price, and that will be the new cost price. So here we can find write down that new cost price is equals to cost price plus overhead charges. So cost price is 15,500 and the overhead charges is 450. Okay, so now we are write down it as a new CP, and that will be 0, 5, 4 plus 5 is 9 and 50. 15,950. This will be the new cost price. Now we have to find out the selling price. So we can use the same formula. Selling price is equals to cost price plus profit. So cost price already we have, that is 15,000. See, now we have to use this cost price, not this cost price. Okay. So cost price we already have. Now we have to find out the profit. So there is a formula. Profit percentage is equals to profit upon CP into 100. So what is the profit percentage here is 50. Profit we have to find out. Cost price we have given is 15,950 into 100. Okay, we can cut one of the 0 from here, one from the here. Okay, now we have to take this 1,590, find the multiplication of 15 and 10 to the denominator. So by making the profit as a subject, we get the profit is equals to 15 into 1595 upon 10. Okay. So now we can cut. Okay, basically what we have to do here is multiply this, because when there is a denominator is either 10 or 100 or 1000, then we actually do not have to cut the common factor. We can directly multiply the numerator and then we can apply the decimal point. So here we have to multiply this 1595 with the 15. Okay, what is the multiplication we get? 0, 5 ones are 5, 9, 5, 1 plus 5 5s are 25, 2 is the carry, 9 5s are 45 plus 2 47, 4 is the carry, 5 5s are 25 plus 9 29, 2 is the carry, 5 ones are 5 plus 2 7. So here we get 5, 12, 1 is the carry, 19, 1 is the carry, 5 plus 6 and 6 plus 7, that is 13, 1 is the carry. So we get here 23925 upon 10. Now we can apply the decimal point. So here we can write down that the profit is 2392.5. So this is we get as a profit. Now we have to add this profit to the cost price so that we can get the selling price. So selling price here is equals to cost price, that is 15,950 plus this one is the 2392.5. Okay, when we add, what is the result we get? We get the 0.5 as it is here. 2 plus 0, that is equals to 2. 9 plus 5, that is equals to 14. 1 is the carry. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 9, 13. 3 is there, 1 is the carry. Now 5 plus 2, 6, 7 plus 1, 8. And 1 as it is. So here we get the value 18,342.5 rupees. So this is the selling price. So see how we can use all these terms. First of all, we have given the cost price, then we have given the overhead charges. So we add both this, we get the new cost price. Out of that, we have again given one more thing, profit percentage. Out of that, we can find out the profit. And when we add both this cost price and profit, we get the total selling price. So here in this way, we can use all these terms and we can find out whatever is unknown. So in this way, we can solve this type of problems. So this is all about this lecture. Thank you.